Understanding the law of attraction. The magical science behind the law of attraction. Many people are interested in learning how to create the life they desire and attract abundance, but are still looking for a way to ground the magical science behind the law of attraction in some kind of scientific reality. The result is a new era of research into the brain and body, mind and consciousness, and a way to connect new scientific concepts with ideas about creating reality that have been around forever. The law of attraction is about matching energetic frequencies to attract the things we desire into our experience. It is based on the idea that like attracts like, and equally dislike attracts dislike. Whatever you are focused on grows, be it good or bad, negative or positive. It doesn't make any difference whether you believe in the validity of the law of attraction or not. As a law, just like gravity, it is working its effect on you regardless. Your thoughts dictate your reality. Wouldn't you like to know how to deliberately harness this powerful law? The lower and some simple quantum physics. Delving just a little into basic quantum physics, we can see where scientific concepts make sense of the law of attraction, the magical science behind the law of attraction. Einstein's theory of relativity showed us that atomic energy vibrates at different rates. His famous equation E equals mc2 proved that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin. The entire universe is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. The same energy that exists all over the universe exists within us. Energy therefore is at the basis of all physical reality. Just like everything else in the universe, each atom that makes up our physical bodies is vibrating at a specific frequency. Our cells communicate with each other in tiny impulses, biophotons, tiny sparks of light energy carried inside our bodies. This energy is light and is always moving both within and around our physical beings, but it is too difficult for us to perceive these different vibrations with our human senses. Just knowing that we are made up of the same energy as everything else that exists can help us to believe that intelligence, an invisible consciousness, exists within all of us. Our destiny really is controlled by our conscious and unconscious thoughts and feelings. We have the power as human beings to manifest into reality any potential future that we choose to attract. The power lies within our own minds and within the universal mind in all its potentiality. There are 3 simple, everyday ways you can begin to align your energy with the energy of your desires. Feel the feeling place of having your desires. Practice acting, speaking and being like the person of your dreams. Take positive action towards your dreams. Understand that what you desire on some vibrational, energetic level already exists. You have to open your mind to the infinite, limitless potential of the universe, and the fact that time and space are man-made constructs of reality. There are different future potentials that already exist on an energetic level. You get to choose which one you want to experience by your clear focus and attention. 1. Find the feeling place. Practice the fun of imagining what it would feel like to have the thing you want. Go as far as you can in your imagination before negative reality thinking takes over. What would it feel like to not be worried anymore about your finances or your health? Try to spend some time each day to really conjure up those feelings within your emotional and physical body. Neuroscience teaches us that we have something like 70,000 thoughts a day, and 90% of them are the same as the day before. During our lifetimes we hardwire patterns of thought into our brains, and these patterns just reinforce our beliefs, perspectives and attitudes over and over again. You have to make a deliberate effort to think differently to how you are used to. You have to access new thoughts by finding the feeling place of the things you want. When you feel your way forward, you attract new thoughts that will then begin to hardwire your neural pathways into new positive patterns. 2. Practice acting, speaking and being like the person of your dreams. To attract whatever it is you desire, you have to act as if you already have it. Now you might find that hard, right? How can I act as if I have lots of money when I know I earn minimum wage? That is where the power of thought, imagination and visualization comes in. Imagine what this newly manifested reality would feel like to you as the person living it. How would you act differently? How would you speak to others and, importantly, to yourself? Would you walk differently or wear different clothes? One of the best things you can do to start drawing in new experiences to your life is to act as if. Do you want to be a professional writer? Start behaving as if you already are one. Get a routine that you know real professionals follow, project that image in your mind and don't let criticism from yourself or others ruin it. Once you start to embody who you really are, you cannot help but actually become that person. The law of attraction has to respond to you, and remember, our brains do not know the difference between real and imagined. Our minds are so powerful, whatever we believe is what begins to be shown to us over time. One of the hardest parts of the law of attraction that people don't tend to talk about is the fact that it is difficult, near impossible, to create a new reality, i.e. the manifestation of your desires, from a mental and emotional place that is the same as your old or present reality. The solution is on a different frequency than the problem. That is why literally going into a new frame of mind is essential. You have to strip away limiting beliefs, outdated self-image and any feelings of unworthiness and negativity. You have to create from a place of open-minded belief and self-love. You have to be prepared to change. When you love yourself, anything is possible. When you love yourself, you do not have to force things or convince yourself of anything, you just expect good things to happen and so they do. 3. Take positive action towards your dreams. Clearly you have to actually behave in a way that supports the manifestation of your dreams too. Attitude is everything. There is a difference between forcing yourself to do something you don't want to and taking positive action from a place of happy, optimistic expectation. For example, if you want to make money in a freelance business but are currently stuck in a 9-to-5 job you hate, make that more likely 8 to 7, you could begin by doing research on the type of thing you would rather be doing. Read articles about people who made it as entrepreneurs and note how they did it, what steps they took. There is always time in the day to do something. Even just 10 minutes extra a day that you put aside as your positive action time will help to boost your confidence and self-belief that you are doing something for your future. If you want to get fit, it could be the 10 minutes a day you go for a longer walk or a run. Maybe you start small and you add in some extra stretches or yoga before bed. Whatever it is, the key is make it fun and feel good about yourself while doing it. How many people sit on their dreams and don't actually do anything towards making them happen? Take a leap of faith, control what is within your control regarding your dream and then leave the rest up to the simple science of the law of attraction. Click the link in the description to discover more about how manifestation magic can help you.